Why is every noise at night a personal threat? I'll be half asleep and hear one sound. Not even loud, just like creak. And my brain immediately goes, yeah, this is it. You had a good run. Suddenly I'm frozen, not moving, not breathing, because obviously the monster has motion detection. My phone? I'm not checking it, because what if the light activates the cutscene? And then my brain starts listing excuses. It's probably the house settling. It's probably the wind. It's probably nothing. Okay then. Why am I ready to write my will? And the worst part? If nothing happens after 10 seconds, my brain's like, see? You're dramatic. No. I was in survival mode. Do not gaslight me. Nighttime turns everyone into a scared caveman with Wi-Fi.